Alright, so first step 1, label the points x1, y1, and x2, y2. So in our example, our 2 points were positive 1, negative 2, and negative 3, comma 4. And if we choose this to be point 1 and this to be point 2, then you would have x1, comma y1 being 1, comma negative 2. You'd have x2, y2 being negative 3, comma 4, which would then mean that x1 is 1, as x1 is 1, y1 would be negative 2, x2 would be negative 3, y2 would be 4. Alright, so step 2, plug the values into the slope formula and calculate. And so we should recall that m equals slope, which is the formula. You pretty much take y2 minus y1 and divide it by x2 minus x1. So from step 1, we labeled the points and we established that x1 was 1, y1 was negative 2, x2 was negative 3, and y2 was 4. So plugging those numbers into the formula, which again is right here, the y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So taking these values you see, putting them in correctly into the formula, we get 4 as y2 minus, and then we've got y1 was negative 2, be careful, divided by, and then we've got x2 is negative 3, so that goes right there, minus x1 was 1. Now we simplify, now be careful, 2 negatives right here become a plus 2, so 4 plus 2 of course is 6, divided by, and then negative 3 minus 1 we should know is negative 4. Then we need to reduce the final answer. Both numbers are divisible by 2, so we divide by 2 to get 3 over negative 2, or we can write negative 3 over 2, and that's pretty much it. That's your slope. Thanks for watching. Take care.